Ashley from Out Nadine West, and today I'm here with Nadine West. All right, so if you're not familiar, Nadine West is a monthly styling service. Every package from them, they send it to you free of charge. You just pay shipping, which is about $10. Then you pay for what you keep, and it comes off the shipping charge that you paid. Last month I made a big mistake and I accidentally kept everything. I had it way too long and I let it sit there. So this month, you might have noticed I just put a video up. I got this bag, put it right up. So we're not playing around, we're getting in here. It's a hit or miss for me monthly with this subscription. I feel like sometimes it's really good and sometimes it's really not good. What I'm going to do is at the end of the video, I will insert photos of the items on me. We're not going to try it on during the video. It just ends up being too much for me to stop the camera. And then I will put down in the description box everything that I ended up keeping. I will link down below to my full review on my blog. I'll also link to Nadine West with my referral link. This is not sent to me for review, although I do think they watched these because they did change my size, which I thought was interesting. Yeah, anyway, let's get in here and find out. And the one thing I don't like is that you have to get jewelry. I don't like that. I don't want any jewelry. I don't want their jewelry. Everything is packaged really nicely in here, and then everything goes back in here. Postage paid, you send this back in the same bag. There is always a lot of stuff, which I like. I feel like that gives you a lot of variety. So first up this month is this shirt. This is actually really cute, and it's perfect for fall. The color is like burgundy. I have said quite a few times on my channel, like the clothes they sometimes send, I'm like, it's not seasonally appropriate. This is a very nice color for fall. This is a medium, which is probably a little too big for me. It's from Shop Basic, and I do like the buttons. It's like a Henley style. It does have the seam in the back. I don't know, it's cute. We'll think about it. I don't want to get makeup on it. All right. Yeah, you guys know I like me some gray. Oh, this is cute. Look at the sleeves. It's got like cutout sleeves. And this is from Sheila Rose. This is also in a medium. And it does have like a elastic at the bottom to kind of give you a little more structure. Make the shape of your shirt stand out there. I'll try that. I'm not mad at that. That's not ugly. This is something. This I'm not so much into. This is also from Sheila Rose. I don't like this, as my mom would call this, what she would call this gaudy. That's the word she would use. This yellow with black. It reminds me of like gold or something. And then the back of the shirt comes down further. Like, I don't need to cover my butt. I don't want to. Why covering up my butt, Nadine? Huh? Anyway. All right. Here we have, ooh, is this a shirt dress? Oh, that's a long shirt. I actually really like this. This is from Zanana. It is in a medium. Dang it. They were giving me smalls for a while. And then they changed it back. Maybe they knew I was onto them. I love this color. You guys know I love orange. I love burnt orange. I love anything like this. This looks like it's really comfortable. You know what I mean? Like, it looks like something you'd want to wear to like just relax. And then we will look at the prices too, because I'm a price conscious person. You might not be, you might not care. I do. And if I know I can get something cheaper, it really bothers me to pay more. It just does. All right, these, I feel like I get pants from this brand every dang box. This is like, what is the name of it? Ultimate Tummy Control leggings. And they're always like kind of pricey. This one has buttons. I'm not really into them though. I just feel like I don't know. I don't really like them. All right, then we have this thing. Yeah, this is from Sheila Rose. This looks so big and like fluffy. It has a cutout in the back. I'm not really fond of that. I don't really like cutouts. I just noticed that I don't. The print is okay. It's not bad. I like florals, but this is a little too, I don't know. It feels a little older than what I'd like. Right, then there's something that's purple. This is actually really cute. This is from Zanana Premium. This is like just a flouncy, stretchy purple dress. I don't know if I love the color, but it looks like it's comfortable. See, it's the same fabric as this guy. I like that fabric. It's very like soft, but it's still like durable. They just can't help themselves. Look at this. Another pair of these pants from Shosho. These don't have buttons. These are just plain. They have the legs are split. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know how I feel about getting 2 of them. Ooh, these are kind of cute. Ooh, I like these. These red pants. These are super cute, and I don't have a color like this. These are like a tailored fit with the gold. Look at the gold on the belt loops, like the chevron pattern on the belt loops. This is from C-Mode. Commode. Sorry, I had to. I like those, though. That's a cool color. It's a nice color for fall, too. All right, last clothing item. Wait, there was another jewelry piece. Okay, there it is. Oh, this is a scarf. This is pretty, but like I always say in these videos, I don't need a scarf. I have tons of them, but I'll wear it for the rest of this video just for fun. All right, then there's a bracelet. It's cute, but it's stretchy on like plastic. I don't need anything like that. And then there's a pair of earrings. These are little silver hoops. They're actually quite pretty, but again, I don't need jewelry. I have so much jewelry, like I honestly don't need it. All right. Oh, you can win, you can get a discount if you send them a link of yourself in their clothing. So anyway, the top, Richard Floral, what? Sometimes I get so annoyed at this. They don't describe the clothing the way that I would like. All right, so I think this is the one they're talking about. It's pictured floral. I don't know. I think this is $39.99. That's a big no for me, dog. The almond colored top. Do we even see an almond colored top? Ah, well, hold on. Deep plum long sleeve. This is $26.99 for that very first Henley style top. That's a no. There's this almond Eleanor Row top medium. Oh my goodness, guys. I don't know what I'm looking at. Why they gotta do this? One of them is $11.99. Almond? I don't know what is that almond. So there's this Row top medium, $31.49. I think that's this one. I'm guessing. I'll have to look on the actual website. I think that's, I don't know. This one, I don't know. Rain long sleeve deep plum. Something pearl. ESPPRL. That's all I have to describe it. I don't know. I'm guessing this is that one. ESPPRL. And that's $26.99. Holy guacamole. One of them is $11.99. I don't think it's this one, because if it is this one, I'm going to keep it. But all right, we're a little confused there. We can move on, though. The 2 pairs of pants are both black, and they just have the name of the style, which I don't know the name of the style. One's $24.99 and one is $20.99. So one of these is $24.99 and the other is $20.99. So there's that. You guys guess. Probably the one with buttons is more. All right, then there are the burgundy pants. These are $21.99, depending on how those look. I'm keeping them. Like, I think they're kind of cute. If they make my butt look nice, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I want those. All right, I'm not gonna lie. And then there is the dress. That's $41.99. That's a lot for a dress like that. Sorry, guys. Then there is the earrings. Those are $19.99, and the bracelet, which is $13.99, and this scarf, which is $7.99. I will insert photos of me in each item right here.